Hello friends, today I will talk about a new project HyperShapeMon 15x, which is here you can see the website hypershapemon15x.com. At here I have a small request to check website first, read about project features. Also there is many more information helpful for join the project. After getting more information about the project, what you think about. At the top corner here you can see the two button available for investor. One button to see the chart and another one is to buy on PancakeSwap. Those who are using mobile device, you must have a Trust Wallet or MetaMask. There from the chart you will get BSC scan bottom. Let me show you. By tapping here you can see this chart available here. Also you can go to here BSC scan. Here is a symbol. You can see here. By tapping here you can get Hypershape contact address. Also copy the address. After copying you go to Trust Wallet and tap here. Paste the contact address, add custom token, select Binance Smart Chain network or paste it here. After done it, click on done. Now you can see the custom had been added here. Also back. Also you have to go again on the website. Also close this tab one time. Also you can see here all details and go down. You can see buyers and sellers. Here you can if you want to buy, I will show you how you can buy. So you can buy, tap on trade. After tapping a trade you can copy this link from here. If you tap this trade, here you can copy. This link is opening here. This link you have to copy. After copy this you have again go to MetaMask or Trust Wallet, same process. And on your D apps paste the link here. After paste you can search here and select Smart Chain network. After selecting, connect your wallet. It's here you can see all thing. Tap on trade here and you can select BNB as much you can buy. Also here is swap process to sell also, but I want to request you that invest a little amount such as 0.2 up to 5 BNB here. Also as much as you can fulfill your bags all round here. And for next process which I will show you on website, let me take you on website. On here is on buy on PancakeSwap. The next button working for those user who are using PC or any more other devices. You can select I understand or import. This is easy to way to join the PancakeSwap from your PC. Also connect your wallet. Your MetaMask wallet will be easy to connecting from your PC. connect wallet, and you can buy from here also. I gave you this process will be helpful to join our project successfully. And now I will give you the link on the Telegram to join airdrop. I gave you link on the description also. First of all, you have to type after typing the link, you can redirect onto Telegram, and you have to start here, and you can see the text here, join airdrop, join Telegram group, follow us on Twitter, and pin post and tag 3 friends, submit your BSC BEP20 wallet address. You can done all of the process here. I also show you how to complete this. Also you can see my step by step process here. And after completing, you got a referral link also. If you refer 4 people, one people, you get 4 million tokens. And if you register here, you get 1 million tokens. So this will helpful to join our project. I think you will happy to join this project. Don't forget to invite your friends on this project.